The Department of Health says the Sinovac vaccine remains effective in preventing severe COVID-19 symptoms and death and tells the public, let us not be doubtful.
The bottom line for this would be lahat po ng bakuna natin, no matter what variants are there, naapektuhan yan, yes, oo, pero meron pa rin naman pong natitira na pagprotekta sa atin.
Reuters reports more than 350 Indonesian doctors contracted COVID-19 despite being vaccinated with Sinovac, and dozens have been hospitalized. Most of those who tested positive were asymptomatic. Health Undersecretary Rosario Vergere advises caution in interpreting the data, saying the DOH cannot complete its analysis of the report since it did not indicate whether there was a controlled group. Meanwhile, Davao City, the hometown of President Rodrigo Duterte, logged its biggest single-day COVID-19 infections on Thursday, June 17, when it recorded 482 cases. Okta Research Monitoring shows this is the highest number reported in the city since the pandemic and the first time the city reported more than 300 cases in one day. As of Thursday, Davao City has 20,593 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Okta also flags the intensive care hospital utilization in Davao City, which is at 91%. Meantime, worldwide, coronavirus-related deaths breached 4 million on Friday, June 18. A Reuters report shows it took over a year for the COVID-19 death toll to hit 2 million, while the next 2 million were recorded in just 166 days. The top 5 countries are the United States, Brazil, India, Russia, and Mexico, and represent about 50% of all deaths in the world. In related news, the Philippines allows more health workers to work abroad, raising the annual deployment ceiling from 5,000 to 6,500. The new deployment ceiling is a far cry from the 10,000 slots Labor Secretary Silvestre Rebello III said he would propose to the National Pandemic Task Force. Filipino United Nurses tell Reuters at least 4,000 nurses intending to work in Germany, the Middle East, Scotland, Japan, Singapore, the United States, and Australia were barred from leaving after the government's cap was reached.